Welcome back to High Desert Camping Adventures. For my upcoming trip to Utah's San Rafael Swell, I wanted to try something different. Instead of towing the casita, I'm going to be camping directly out of my 2025 Toyota 4Runner Off-Road Premium. To make that possible, I need to remove the rear seats and install a sleeping platform. Before removing the seats, I move the front seat forward to create additional clearance. This helps prevent accidental damage when lifting the rear seats out of the vehicle. I start with the smaller driver's side rear seat. After folding the seat upward, I remove the plastic cover and expose the mounting bolts underneath. Once the bolts are removed, I disconnect the electrical connector located beneath the seat. Next, I return the seat to its normal position so I can access the front mounting bolts. With those removed, the seat can be lifted straight out of the vehicle. So I don't lose the screws, I go ahead and put them back in their original location. The larger passenger side seat is removed using the same process, so I'll speed up that portion. With both rear seats removed, the cargo area opens up considerably and provides plenty of room for a sleeping platform. For this build, I am using a Hele Outdoors sleeping platform. Everything arrives packed neatly inside a storage bag. After unpacking the components, I assemble the frame inside the 4Runner. One thing I immediately noticed is how lightweight the system is while still feeling solid once assembled. With the frame in place, I roll out the wooden platform slats and secure them to the frame. This creates a flat sleeping surface while still leaving room underneath for gear storage. With the platform complete, it's time to add a mattress. I am using a Habitat sleeping mattress, which rolls out quickly and fits nicely on top of the platform. The result is a comfortable sleeping area that transforms the 4Runner into a compact camping setup. Climbing inside, there's enough room to stretch out and get a feel for the space. For trips where I want to travel light, explore rougher roads, or simply leave the casita at home, this setup should work extremely well. I will be putting it to the test soon in Utah's San Rafael Swell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.